In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stunning infographics in just one click using Gemini AI with no design skills needed. Imagine being able to create eye-catching infographics with zero design experience, all within minutes. That's exactly what we're going to do today, so let's get started. First things first, you need to head over to Google. It's as simple as opening your browser and typing Google in the search bar. Once you're there, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search field. This will bring up the results you need. You're looking for the official Google Gemini site. Go ahead and click on it once you see it in the list. Now that you've landed on the Google Gemini homepage, you'll notice a plus sign icon, which you'll use for uploading an image. Click on this plus sign. It's the key to getting started with your infographic. Uploading an image is a great feature because it acts as the foundation for your design, which the AI will then work with. With your image uploaded, you'll want to make a prompt. Think of it as giving the AI a little guidance on what you're looking to create. You might be prompted to open this in what they call a canvas. This is essentially your workspace where the magic happens. Here, you'll be collaborating with the AI, which is designed to interpret and transform your input into something visually appealing and useful. Once you've set up your prompt, it's time to click the Submit button. This is where you take all your setup steps and let the AI get to work. Submitting this information allows Gemini AI to analyze the elements you've provided and begin crafting a stunning infographic tailored to your specifications. After submission, the next button you'll see is Create. By clicking on it, you're only a short step away from an infographic that's both informative and visually captivating. The AI here is remarkably smart, using algorithms to ensure that the content is not only accurate, but also aesthetically pleasing. Finally, you'll want to click on the option labeled Infographic. This is where your design comes to life. The AI processes the information you've given it, and voila, your stunning infographic is ready. It's as easy as that, with no complicated design software or advanced skills needed. That's it. With just these simple steps, you've harnessed the power of Gemini AI to produce a professional-grade infographic. It's a really efficient tool that's perfect for both beginners and those in a hurry. So why not give it a try and impress everyone with your new infographic making skills? Thanks for watching, and make sure to try it out for yourself.